Professional English vocabulary. Electrician tools for construction work. Hand tools. Do you wonder how construction electricians put wires in new buildings? They use a variety of tools to do this job. They use hand tools, power tools, and other types of tools and equipment. Hand tools are portable and they are operated manually. Power tools use an external power source, such as alternating current, AC, or batteries, DC. Electricians wear personal protective equipment, PPE, to minimize exposure to workplace hazards. If you're doing electrical work on a construction site, you know the right tools are everything. Let's explore the essential hand tools construction electricians rely on for these jobs. Cutting tools. Gripping tools. Fastening tools. Screwdrivers. Measuring tools. Locating tools. And testing tools. Let's learn more about them. Cutting tools. Cutting tools are hard tools with sharp edges that are used for cutting, shaping, and removing material from objects. Here are some examples. Lineman's pliers or combination pliers. Wire cutters or diagonal cutters. Cable cutters. Wire strippers. Drill bits. Hole saw or hole cutter. Knockout punch. Utility knife or box cutter. Electrician scissors. Jab saw, keyhole saw, or drywall saw. Hacksaw. Gripping tools. Gripping tools are used for handling and securing an object in position for a limited period of time, while you are working on it. For example, needle nose pliers or long nose pliers. Tongue and groove pliers, slip joint pliers, or water pump pliers. Locking pliers, mole grips, or vice grips. Fastening tools. These tools are designed to join or secure two or more components together. They require small hardware devices to create mechanical joints, which are usually reversible and can last long periods of time. Examples. Claw hammer. Electrician hammer. Staple gun. Crimping pliers or crimpers. Nut driver. Spanner. In American English, wrench. Adjustable spanner. In American English, adjustable wrench or crescent wrench. socket spanner or socket wrench. Screwdrivers. The screwdriver or turn screw is a type of fastening tool. It is used for inserting and removing screws. It has a handle and a shaft ending in a tip that fits into the head of the screw. Electricians use insulated screwdrivers to ensure their safety when working on live electrical circuits. Insulated screwdrivers have handles made of non-conductive material, such as rubber or plastic, to provide a barrier against electric shocks. Screwdrivers come in a variety of different types. They are designed to fit specific screw heads for better grip and control. Let's see some common examples. Flathead or slotted screwdriver. Phillips screwdriver. Hex keys or Allen keys. Robertson screwdriver or square screwdriver. Torx screwdriver. Multibit screwdriver. Measuring tools. Measuring tools quantify physical properties of objects such as length, weight, and temperature. Their primary function is to provide a numerical value for a specific characteristic. Electricians use these measuring tools in their work. Steel ruler. Caliper. Measuring tape or tape measure. Folding ruler or yardstick. Laser measure or laser distance meter. Spirit level or torpedo level. Non-contact voltage tester, inductance tester, or electrical tester pen. Locating tools. These tools help electricians find hidden wires, pipes, or other objects within walls, floors, or ceilings. Examples: underground cable locator or cable avoidance tool, CAT. Stud finder. Thermal imaging camera. Testing tools. Testing tools help us check how well a system, part, or material works. They do this by measuring a specific quality or feature. By comparing what we measure to what we expect, we can find and fix problems. Important testing tools used by electricians. Multimeter. Clamp meter. Receptacle tester and ground fault circuit interrupter tester. Insulation resistance tester, megometer or mega. Voltage tester. Continuity tester. As you can see, hand tools are super important for electricians on construction sites. They help electricians work safely and do a good job with electricity. Knowing how to use these tools well is key.